विश्वेशं माधवं धुण्डिं दण्डपाणिं च भैरवम् वन्दे काशीं गुहां गङ्गां भवानीं मणिकर्णिकाम्। Welcome devotees. In this episode, we will see Omkareshwar, Baijnatheshwar and Bhima Shankar, that is Bhimeshwar. Omkareshwar. Kashi Khand has narrated the greatness of Omkareshwar Ling in detail in chapter 73. Once Lord Brahma underwent severe penance for several long years, and a mighty or very strong force erupted from beneath the ground, piercing the ground, and this assumed the form of a divine Shivling. Lord Brahma started singing praises of Lord Shiva, whom he could visualize in person standing in front. Very pleased with the prayers of Lord Brahma, Lord Shiva granted all divine boons. Lord Brahma desired that Lord Shiva should always be present in the Shivling, which had appeared as a divine energy, and the name of the ling should be Omkareshwar, to which Lord Shiva agreed. According to Kashi Khand, a devotee who takes a holy dip in Matsyodri Tirth and worships Omkareshwar Ling will not have the fear of rebirth. He will derive the benefits accruing out of performing Ashwamedha Yajna. Worshipping Omkareshwar is equivalent to reciting 1 lakh Rudra Japam and is also equivalent to worshipping all the Shivlings in the world. A person who is a devotee of Omkareshwar will attain mukti even if he dies at any place other than Kashi. After granting all the divine boons to Lord Brahma, Lord Shiva disappeared inside the ling. According to Kashi Khand, on Ashtami and Chaturdashi days, having bath in Matsyodri Tirth and praying to Lord Omkareshwar will cleanse the devotee of all sins. A person praying at Lord Omkareshwar temple is really lucky and will find a place in heaven. His ancestors feel very happy on seeing their descendant praying at the above temple. Matsyodri Tirth is now dried up. Devotees may take bath in holy Ganga, and the nearest ghats are Trilochan Ghat and Gai Ghat. Omkareshwar temple is located at Koila Bazar behind Matchodri, and the landmark is Trilochan Police Chowki. Devotees can come here by cycle rickshaw or e-rickshaw. Devotees coming here can worship other deities in the vicinity like Trilochaneshwar, Adi Mahadev, Kameshwar, etc. Baijnatheshwar. On all India basis, people worship Baijnath Jyotirling, and two places are mentioned for this. One is Parli Baijnath in Maharashtra and second is Baijnath temple in Devgarh, Jharkhand. In Kashi, the temple of Baijnatheshwar is located in Kamacha. In respect of this holy Shivling, the mohalla where this temple is located is known as Baijnatha. This is a standalone temple which is well maintained and regular pujas are performed by the temple authorities. Worshipping this Shivling is equivalent to worshipping Baijnath Jyotirling of Maharashtra and Bihar. Devotees can reach this place by cycle rickshaw or auto rickshaw, and the localities of Kamacha and Baijnatha are very famous. Devotees coming here can worship Kamakya Shaktipit also, which is very close by. Bhima Shankar, that is Bhimeshwar. According to Kashi Khand, chapter 69, various idols and shivlings have been brought from several other places and installed in Kashi. From Sapta Godavari Tir, the Lord has appeared in Kashi in form of Bhimeshwar Shivling for bestowing happiness and granting moksha to devotees. All those devotees who worship Bhimeshwar will be freed from all sins committed by them. On all India basis, there are 12 Jyotirlings and there are 12 important Shivlings in Kashi which represent the aforesaid 12 Jyotirlings. The above deity is worshipped as Bhima Shankar Jyotirling, which comes near Nasik Pune Road, Maharashtra. Bhimeshwar is located at Kashi Karvat Temple, which is quite famous. The Shivling is located below the ground level and devotees can have worship from the top through a hole. Only the priest is allowed to go near the Shivling. Devotees coming here can worship other deities nearby like Moda Vinayak, Kal Ratri, Vishweshwar, Annapurna, etc. For the benefit of devotees, we may mention that the producers of this video series, Messrs. Mahadev Handloom House, have their showroom in the heart of the city, very near to Kashi Vishwanath Temple and Ganga Aarti venue. They are manufacturers and wholesalers of Banarsi saris, suits and dress materials. They are staunch devotees of Lord Shiva and have a very good social standing. They are also very helpful to pilgrims. In case of any assistance, devotees may feel free to contact them. Their contact details are given here. Devotees, we request you to please press the subscribe button just below the video screen and then press the bell icon. You will get regular notifications. This is a free service only.